Sometimes, life doesn't ask for permission. It just starts testing you, and you begin to think, maybe you are weak. But the truth is, God never puts weak people on hard paths. Hard paths are only given to those who can walk through them. If you are tired today, it does not mean you have lost. It only means you have endured more than most. People mistake your silence for weakness. They don't realize storms can exist even in silence. Everyone you see smiling today did not live an easy life, and everyone who is quiet is not defeated. Sometimes God breaks you only to rebuild you stronger than before. Your story is not over yet. The page that says, "This is where everything changed," has not been written. Remember this: the darker the night, the closer the morning, and those who stay patient in the dark are the ones who deserve the light. If no one understands you today, do not panic. God understands you. Your tears, your silent prayers, your exhaustion, none of it is wasted. Every patience has a moment, and when that moment arrives, God rewards you in ways you never imagined. Just don't stop today. Do only this much. Try to be better than yesterday. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving, slowly, but never stop. If you fell today, it only means you dared to walk. And those who dare to walk always reach their destination. Believe in yourself. God did not create you without purpose. You are the strongest chapter of someone's story. Just be patient, stay connected to prayer, and never let go of hope. Because those who trust God are never left alone.